Well, the rain drenched the mid-state today as remnants of Debbie made their way through, and Governor Josh Shapiro declared a disaster emergency for 21 counties, including Adams, Cumberland, Dauphin, and Fulton counties in response to all of that weather that came through today. And our chief meteorologist is here with more. Eric, a very active weather day here in the mid-state.
Yes, very active, and there's more information to pass along now. The National Weather Service now confirming an EF1 tornado in the Harrisburg area occurred early this morning. As a matter of fact, 4:33 a.m. An EF1 tornado with winds of about 105 miles an hour. We're going to zoom in, kind of show you that area. So just starting just west of Steelton, traveling northward, kind of wrapping up after about traveling 3.4 miles. Just west of Progress is then where it wrapped up. Now, an area, I would say a path of about 300 yards wide from that Steelton area up toward Progress. Sarah Wilson's going to be showing you more of that damage here in just a moment. But first, quickly showing you showers are wrapping up. Skies are clearing. That heaviest rain, that corridor of very, very heavy rain, Kendra, that's that tornado path too. But in areas that would just receive the rain, we're talking areas 3 to even 6 inches of rain. Here are some of them. Anywhere from Marysville, Wormleysburg, Summerdale, and Duncan, and anywhere from 3.5 to 6.5 inches of rain today, Kendra.
Wow. All right. Thank you so much, Eric.